This is a total failure and I'm not going to buy this product again in my life. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share my January empties, and I really like to making these kind of videos because I can see that what I like the most and what I didn't like at all. So these are my empties and I'm going to show you. So without wasting any time, let's start. Guys, first product which I'm going to show you is this. The brand name is May Love and the product name is the Day Eraser Face Cleansing Oil. So whomsoever watching me on a regular basis, you know that I love cleansing oils and cleansing balms. They are one of my favorite products because I have a normal to dry skin and I do not use makeup, but I use this kind of product to give extra hydration to my skin. And about this cleansing oil, I really like it because first of all, it emulsify, so you're not gonna have that greasy feeling on your face or any stickiness. This cleanser is really good cleanser, and top of that, this is very affordable cleanser. And guys, I already talked about this cleanser in one of my video where I showed the best cleanser for dry skin. If you want more information about this cleanser, you can check it out that video, and I can buy this again for sure. Next cleanser which I finished is this from Rovectin. And I also made video about this cleanser, so you can see all the good points and whatever is not good about this cleanser in that video. I definitely enjoyed this cleanser, but I'm not going to buy this cleanser again, not because there is something wrong or there's something I didn't like it. The only reason, it's a very basic cleanser. So I want to explore more products and more cleanser. That's why I'm not going to buy this again. But if you want to try any new cleanser and you didn't try this one yet, you can definitely try. And this cleanser also very affordable, so good cleanser for any time, night or day. So these are the two cleanser I finished last month. The next product I finished is this from Edible Beauty. And you know guys, I adore this brand. I love this brand. This is such a good brand. I love the products, and this one is a glowing skin smoothie, protect and smooth. So this is a kind of a product people sometimes confuse that it's a serum or it's a kind of a essence. It's very lightweight, so you can use it the way you want. It's just gonna give you extra hydration. So everything is good about this product and I can buy this again. Next, I finished some mini sizes products because you know sometimes I got some free products from Sephora, or when you're shopping from any website, they send you some kind of a samples. Normally, I saved travel sizes for a time if we are traveling or we are going somewhere for a day or two, so I can take these kind of products with me. But because of COVID, you know that we can't travel much, so I decided to use all of these travel sizes. I have many more, but last month I finished these. So the very first thing which I'm going to show you is this Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. So this is from the brand Fresh. Guys, I'm not a very big fan of this brand Fresh, but I got this sample with some kind of a kit, so I was like, let's try. The fragrance of this product is okay. It's not like overly good or not like you can't take it. It's just okay fragrance. Now about the product, it's average kind of a moisturizer, nothing special. It moisturizes your skin, so I don't see spend money to buy full size product. But about the mini size, I use this for good 3 weeks. For the quantity and for the value, I like it, but I'm not going to buy this moisturizer again. I didn't enjoy much. Next moisturizer which I finished is from Belif. Now this moisturizer smell good. It's really good moisturizer. It gave proper kind of a hydration to your skin. Everything is good here. Although I love this moisturizer, but when it comes to like it's cruelty free or not, I'm not sure, because some website says it's not and some people say it is. If I can see somewhere like 100% that this cream is 100% cruelty free, I will definitely buy a full size because I really love the texture, the smell, the way it works on your skin. Everything is good, plus the price point is very good. So I love this moisturizer, but again, I'm not going to buy full size product. But if you want to try and you don't mind that your product is cruelty free or not, then this moisturizer is kind of a must have for normal to dry skin. Very good moisturizer. Next, I finished this moisturizer from Drunk Elephant, and this is a Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I know so many people know about this brand, so many people adore this product, and I'm one of them. This is not the first time I use this product. The only thing with this moisturizer, although it says that it gives you hydration, but in my point of view, if you have a dry skin or a very dry skin, it's not gonna do much because it's a serum. So normally serums are not very heavy or very moisturizing. If you are looking for something to moisturize your skin deeply, this is not for you, but for daily use it's a very good moisturizer, or for summertime this is a very good moisturizer. So I can buy this again. I like it. Next, I finished another product from the Drunk Elephant. This is a marula oil. Now about this product and about this oil, to be very honest guys, this is a good product, but this is very overpriced product. If you're going to buy a full-size bottle, even if you're gonna buy this sample from their website, you're gonna pay a good price. So this is a virgin marula oil and it says it's a luxury oil, so you have to pay luxury price. But I used other marula oils too, and they were as good as this one. So I am not going to buy a full size of this oil, although it's a good oil. If you enjoy, you can buy. If you're not, then there's just so many marula oil options available in the market. But for me, this is a no. Now let's talk about hair care. So in January, I only finished 2 products. First product is this shampoo from Seed. So the only downside I can say about this product, the packaging. The packaging is cardboard packaging, which is good, but at the same time this packaging is not water friendly. But the one thing which amazed me, that even though the shampoo bottle sometimes totally wet, but after some minutes you can see that it's dry like this. There's no water, there's no wetness right now on this bottle, which is great. Now I really wanted to see what is inside, because I know there's some kind of a plastic inside. This is not at all logical that they can make packaging completely from the cardboard. So I am revealing the packaging today. So this is the packaging, plastic bottle. This is a recyclable plastic bottle. I don't know, I mean, why they are putting cardboard, I don't understand, because ultimately you are wasting more paper. So I don't like the packaging concept at all. And inside this you have I don't know, some kind of a labeling or something. So even though I like everything about this shampoo, ingredients are great, it moisturizes my hair, but I am not going to buy this shampoo again just because of the packaging. It's a very tricky, nasty, I don't know what to say. It's a very bad packaging. I mean, on one hand you are saying that your brand is environment friendly or whatnot, but on the other hand you're wasting more paper, and plus you are using ultimately plastic. I mean, it's a recyclable one, but still, so not for me. Next in hair care is this item from Verb. So this item came with the kit, and that's why I had to try it. This is a Ghost Dry Oil Disco Edition. It refresh, condition, smooth, plus glitter. So everything I can understand except this glittering part, because I tried this and I never see any effect on my hair. And I think I have a little bit still hair. I wanna spray in front of you. So guys, see any glittering? No, I can't see any glittering, so I don't know why they wrote this glittering part, because I never experienced any glittering. This is a very bad product. First of all, it smells very horrible. I mean, I can't take this smell. Secondly, it never made my hair soft. It never gave me extra boost of hydration, and it never smoothed my hair. So this is a total failure, and I'm not going to buy this product again in my life. Very bad product. Now let's talk about body products. So I finished this body wash from Grown Alchemist. packaging is a plastic packaging, which I do not like it, but it's a recyclable one. It's certified cruelty free, it's vegan, toxic free, and it's a luxury product. I bought this because I heard lots of positive reviews about this product and I wanted to try, so I got this from Dove Store. And this is a okay kind of a body cleanser to me. Nothing special except the ingredients are really good. As I said that on the back side everything is mentioned that the product is vegan, clean, everything is good. But when it comes to the effectiveness, when it comes to how it feels on your body, I did not feel anything extra. I mean, I know many other brands, they are also vegan, they are also clean, and maybe they are much better than this one. So I'm not going to buy this particular body wash again. Maybe I can try more products from this brand, but not this particular body wash. So no for me. Next, I finished this body oil from Jordan Samuel, another favorite brand of mine. And this body oil is really good. It smells so amazing. So good. The ingredients are really good. There are lots of good ingredients: grapeseed oil, olive, broccoli seed oil, citrus fruit extract, mango oil, whatnot. The only problem with this product that if you compare the quantity and the price, it's little pricey. I can buy the same kind of a product minus the fragrance from Forest Essential in much cheaper price. It's a very good product and I can buy again. But if you want more quantity, then this product is not for you. This is something you have to keep in your mind. But for me, this product is amazing. This product is really good and I will definitely buy this again. Now the last product is this from Forest Essentials. So this is a cold pressed Ayurvedic body massage oil. This is called Narayana. Now about this oil, everything is good except the fragrance. For some people, fragrance could be little intense. Some people not gonna like it because everything here is Ayurvedic and natural. This oil is not for everyone, but if you like Ayurvedic massage oil, then definitely you can try. And I can buy this product again. So I love this product. So guys, these were my empties from January. I hope you like this video and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.